Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today's video we're gonna fix the side stand issue. We're gonna take it to the welding shop, remove all the JB weld that's over here. Gonna see what's underneath the JB weld and move on from there. Basically I removed the fairing, the bottom part of it, so we have access to the kickstand and the part that we need to clean up and weld over there. So let's go ahead and I'll meet you there. Hey guys, so this is just a 1 week update after we welded the engine case where there was the crack on the side stand. So far so good, there are no leaks at all from that part. The clutch sleeve isn't leaking also. We also replaced the oil seal for the gear selector shaft, which is here. It's not leaking also. So the only thing that's left is now replacing the alternator gasket or the stator gasket, and the oil leak should be all fixed on this bike, hopefully. Yeah, that is all. See you guys on the next video.